the Enforcement Directorate that has summoned Anil Ambani. The probe over bribery and unsecured loans and the allegations of massive diversion as far as funds are concerned. So the ED has summoned Anil Ambani, the chairman and the managing director of Reliance Group, for questioning in connection with its ongoing investigation into an alleged 17,000 crore loan fraud, and he's been asked to appear before the ED on the 5th of August. To know more on this, we have my colleague Anushka joining us to get us the very latest. Anushka, searches were conducted at multiple locations linked to the Reliance Group, and there were findings that were shared. This is a probe that has been alleging diversions of crores of money by the Reliance Infrastructure to Reliance Group units through an undisclosed related party. And this is the allegation that's been made. Remember that there were multiple locations that were being in fact raided, whether it was between Mumbai and Delhi, except for his personal residence. Now the ED has called him to their office for questioning. All this is expected on the 5th. Get us all the details.
That's right, Divya. The ED has summoned Anil Ambani on 5th of August regarding its ongoing probe in the money laundering case on the Reliance Anil Ambani Group. Now, what the accusations are made is that almost a staggering amount of rupees 12,500 crore loan was taken by the Anil Ambani Group and was in fact also diverted in his own flagship organizations, and it was in fact also being done by a circular method on which this whole case was in fact going on. Loans were written off without proper documentation. Evergreening of all the accounts were in fact also done, and a lot of different irregularities was in fact also concerned in this whole matter of the Anil Ambani groups, and that is why the ED is in fact probing this matter. Two Anil Ambani groups, that is the RHFL and RCFL, was in fact also involved in taking the loan. Yes Bank employees are in fact also inside the lens of the ED right now, and this whole probe is in fact being concerned on the accounts of money laundering case against Anil Ambani. On 5th of August, the ED has called Anil Ambani for questioning regarding this whole matter, regarding the money laundering case that is in fact right now going on. CBI had registered this case on 2022, and after that the ED had taken over all this case. Evergreening of accounts were done, loans were given without proper documentation, and also a large part of the loan was in fact declared as non-paying assets, and that was in fact written off completely. An amount of staggering amount of rupees 6,000 crore almost was in fact written off because of this, and was in fact also declared as the NPAs by the bank, and this is what is being being subjected and is in fact being questioned by the ED as to how all of this was done without proper documentation. Yes Bank employees are in fact being questioned, 35 entities, 25 people. A lot of questioning has been done by the ED regarding this whole case. On 5th of August, the ED has summoned Anil Ambani for questioning regarding the money laundering case, and this amounts to a staggering amount of rupees 12,500 crore, of which the ED is in fact right now probing this matter. Over to you.
Right, of course, all this started on the 24th of July, and there were raids that were conducted over 3 days. Take us through the findings through that, and of course, the ED is saying that this was a very well planned scheme in order to siphon off public money.
That's right. The ED has in fact said that this is a well thought plan and has in fact been done to siphon off the public money, and that is why the ED is in fact right now investigating this whole matter. The ED has launched an extensive money laundering probe as well, and into the Reliance Anil Ambani Group, and has in fact several associated entities as its part of crackdown. What this ED is alleging is that a money laundering case of rupees 12,500 crores have been in fact been laundered on the companies that are in fact based through Anil Ambani. The ED had initiated investigations on the findings of CBI that was handed over. According to the details that was shared, that RHFL and RCFL dispersed loans totaling rupees 12,524 crore, a significant portion of which was extended to entities classified as either shell companies or closely linked affiliates of AG Group firms. Not just that, of this amount, 6,931 crore was eventually declared as non-performing assets, or written off completely. So the ED is in fact right now trying to understand as to why shell companies were used for this whole money laundering process. The ED is in fact also claiming that the public money was in fact siphoned off because of all these ongoing cases, and the Anil Ambani group of Reliance companies were in fact involved in a massive money laundering case. Not just that, the ED had also said that the funds were often routed to the flagship firms of the Anil Ambani Group, such as Reliance Capital Limited, Reliance Infrastructure Limited, and Reliance Power Limited through a circular lending. Now, this is a well thought of plan that the ED has in fact also accused and had in fact said that the public money was in question, and the Anil Ambani Group of companies were involved in laundering a staggering amount of rupees 12,500 crores through the circular lending that were in fact being done in the flagship companies, and was in fact also involved. SEBI had in fact given its findings to
That's right,
the ED, not just SEBI. The Housing Bank has in fact also shared the